Hi, in this video I'm looking at determining the quantiles for the normal distribution with a proportion alpha of 0.89 if we've either got a mean of 0 and a standard deviation 1, which is the standard normal distribution, or if we have a mean of 37 and a standard deviation of 8. Now this quantile is sometimes given as being A, or sometimes it's be given Z, which is typically also called the Z score. And for us, we're going to use a graphics calculator to work this out. I'm doing it with the CASIO CG-50. And we're going to look in our run matrix menu. And so we're going to go to 1. And inside our option and statistics menu, we've got a distribution menu and we've got a normal distribution, and we're actually going to use the inverse normal distribution function here, and it takes in three things. So our inverse normal distribution takes in three things. It takes in the proportion, the alpha value, followed by the standard deviation, followed by the mean. So we're going to put into our first one our proportion 0.89, 9, comma, our standard deviation, which was 1, and our mean 0. And that will give us our Z score for the first one of 1.2265. So the quantile here is 1.2265. And so that'll be used to work out a confidence interval. Doing the same for our second one, we still have the same proportion, 0.89, but this time we've got a mean of 30, we want standard deviation first, standard deviation of 8, and a mean of 37, close the bracket, execute, and we can see that it's 46.8122 and a few more. So there we have it. If we have the standard normal, which means we have mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1, we put in 1 and 0 and our proportion, and we get our respective quantile if we want that proportion. And we've got our proportion as well for any other normal distribution. If we have a mean and a standard deviation, we can get it out.